Double-digit thousands back.
I like to move it, yeah, I like to jam for y'all. Here I go. I ain't never seen a monkey with moves like this. Come on, baby. Yeah, watch me now.
I should have ate that burrito for lunch. Oh God, maybe. Oh fuck it. Would you like a cookie?
No.
You sure? Uh-oh, sorry.
Oh man, I hope that bitch didn't give me no fleas. Please tell me she didn't give me no fleas. It's itching like a motherfucker. It's my legs. Oh, I'm about to go get to her. She got me scratching like a mother out here.
Really? You're not gonna look at me? Come on, Hector. I know you want to. Hey, yo, bro. What the fuck is that on your forehead, yo? What is that shit, yo?
It's a knife.
Oh. Hey, everybody, come down. Squidward and SpongeBob are fighting! Come on!
Hey, now, tell me this.
Come into the side. Sniff.
You rub my hair so good, though. You rub my hair so good. But for real. Let me, oh man, I just love the way you stroke my hair, boy. Ooh.
Hey, Alexa, how far can I eat that pizza? Really? Do I look like I know how far you can eat a pizza? Dude, really? Get a fucking life. I'm a machine.
Ha! I got the knife. Ha! What are you gonna do now? Ha! I got. Oh, you can't get me. You can't get me. Oh, I'll cut you. I'll cut you with the knife. Ha! I got the knife, bitch. Ha! Whoop! Here I go.
I watch seagulls fly over the Golden Gate. Think about that. Ay, mami, me un susto, combate, Hey, Farito, come here, girl. Can I get your number? Oh.